Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure Fiverr for maximum exposure, quick tutorial step by step clearly. To configure your Fiverr account for maximum exposure, start by creating a compelling profile. Use a professional profile picture that reflects your service. Craft an engaging bio that highlights your skills and experience. Make sure to use relevant keywords that potential clients might search for. Next, choose a specific category that aligns with your services. Select appropriate subcategories to increase visibility. Create a gig that clearly outlines what you offer. Use a catchy title that includes important keywords. Write a detailed description that explains your services in depth. Highlight what makes you unique compared to others in your niche. Include FAQs to address common customer queries. Add high-quality images or videos to showcase your work. Optimize your gig tags with relevant keywords for better search placement. Set competitive pricing to attract initial clients. Consider offering a basic package to draw in new customers. Utilize Fiverr's gig extras to increase your earnings without extra effort. Make sure to regularly update your gigs based on trends and feedback. Promote your gigs on social media platforms to reach a wider audience. Engage with clients quickly to boost your response rate. Encourage satisfied customers to leave positive reviews. Monitor your gig performance using Fiverr Analytics for adjustments. Stay active on the platform to maintain visibility among potential buyers. Continuously improve your offerings based on client feedback and industry standards. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.